Welcome back. Yesterday we conquered LEDs, but today we make them interactive.
Our tool for today is the simple push button. But this little switch brings a tricky new problem.
So when you press the button, you connect the pin to ground. That gives us a clear low signal.
But when you let go, the pin isn't connected to anything. It's just floating.
And this is our villain for today, the floating pin. It literally acts like a tiny antenna.
It picks up random electrical noise from the air. We call these ghost signals, and they make things unpredictable.
But, every villain needs a hero to save the day.
So, meet our hero, the pull-up resistor. It connects the pin to a stable high voltage. Now the pin has a default high state. When you push the button, it cleanly pulls it low. No guesswork.
And here's the absolute best part. Our ESP32 has this core hero built right in.
You can activate it with just one simple line of code, input_pullup. And just like that, this one command vanquishes the floating pin villain forever.
So now your code can confidently say, if the button state is low, then run yesterday's LED code.
And there you have it. We've given our project a way to react to the real world. We've mastered on and off.
But what about in between? Join me on day 3 to learn the magic of fading lights.